Hi everyone, I'm Ashley Nicole. I'm Melodine from 12 STEM C. So today, I'm going to explore. Good day everyone, I'm Ashley Nicole. I'm Melodine from 12 STEM C. So for today's video, I'm going to explore how to reduce enzymatic browning. So let's start with the materials. I have here 3 cups. I already put a label on it.
Uy, sana all!
So we have here banana. This banana, I'm going to put it in the fridge. And the other one is banana with water. I'm going to soak the banana in the water. And the third one is lemon with... Oh, wrong. So last one, I have here banana with lemon juice. Here. I have here lemon and banana. Also, bread knife. So first is I'm going to cut this banana. As you can see, it's not brown yet, like that. Just going to get this amount. This one. And last. That's it. Joke. So, as you can see po, ayan na po sila. Wala pa pong water, pero eto na po, nakat ko na yung lemon. So, pipigaan ko na siya. There. And then, lalagay ko na to sa freezer. And ito po, lalagyan ko na ng water. Here po, lalagyan na siya ng water. Wait. Ang hirap ng isang kamay. Wait. So, here po, I already put a water on it. So, yung last po, banana lang, ilalagay ko po siya sa fridge. Uy, ang daming laman. There. Change background. Oh, no, mali. Wait na lang po ng 5 minutes. There. See you after 5 minutes po. So, ayun na po. Tapos na yung 5 minutes. Titignan na po natin kung ano nangyari sa tatlong experiment na ginawa. So, yung sa water po, yung napansin ko is nag-white siya ng todo. So, titignan naman na po natin yung nasa freezer kung ano nangyari. Ito na siya. Medyo nag-brown pa rin pero hindi sobra. So, yung sa lemon naman po, napansin ko na nag-shrink siya. Ayan po, lumiit siya. Di tulad nung kaganina, nung kakalagay ko lang. So, yun lang po for today's experiment. Sana po naintindihan niyo yung mga in-explain ko. Kasi kung hindi, babaksa ako kay Sir Illumin.